Right, 966 Velocette Thruxton, squish piston and squish cylinder head, and we'll get it started up. Yep, red light's flashing, so yeah, just press that to stop. Okay, there you go guys, 1966 Velocette Thruxton and a blue and silver trim. This bike was bought new from the factory and raced straight away. The special thing about this bike is its 11:1 compression ratio from its squish piston and squish cylinder head, shortened Thruxton barrel from the standard, GP carb, and we're running on the close ratio TT box, which makes first gear super long, but once you get it in that power band, it's really great. And what I've done to this one is done it like the prototype Thruxton, where the rear loop goes through the rear mudguard bracket, and then just to neaten things off a bit more, the light cut away into the seat just to make it all a bit all in line, really, which I thought was cool. And unfortunately it's a lot of work, and something that I'll probably do on every bike I do now because I like it that much. And Lucas K1F competition mag. Obviously getting some footage of this before I put the other half of the fairing on. Obviously it's a full fairing bike, just got the top part on at the minute. All quick release on the electrics for the front. We're in some nice LED lights, all still 6 volt, but gives you a really good light to run through the day, to hopefully make some of them car drivers see you. Because it's one of the early ones, as the John Tickle twin leading shoe front brake, almost similar to the Bloomfield which came out after the Tickle one, after Velos stopped using the Tickle one. Double dump forks, make it a bit stiffer. Like I say, I'm still running the 6 volt electrics with the original Miller dynamo. And looking through the cockpit, looking down in the throat of that GP cab. Be careful, because if I fall in there I'll probably break my leg.